Welcome back to this 10-minute functional flexibility flow. The purpose of this flow today is for those who are new to this movement practice, those who just want something a bit more gentle today, and they want something short that's not going to take up too much time. So when you're ready, come on down to the floor. Coming onto your back, take your feet underneath your knees, and we're just going to take a couple of rises with the glutes, okay? So what I need you to do is you're going to tilt the pelvis, pressing the lower back into the floor, hands to the side. You're going to roll up through the spine, all the way up, driving the hips up, and then slowly roll down through the spine. Releasing. Take that again, deep breath in, tucking the tailbone under, rolling up through the spine, up into the shoulders. There should be no pressure in the neck, and then slowly rolling all the way down. We'll do that one last time, all the way through, tilting, pressing the lower back into the floor, rolling up the spine, and exhale, gently release. From here, I want you to take your arms out to the side. Take your right hand facing up, your left hand facing down. We're going to sweep the knees to your left hand side. So taking the knees over, you're going to look over to your right hand. From here, as you switch, you're going to switch the hands around. So you're going to turn the hands and switch the knees to the other side. We're going to do that 6 more times. So inhale, switch, exhale. Inhale, switch, exhale. Continue. 4, for 3, for 2, for 1, and release. Good. From here, we're going to take the arms behind us. So we're going to come into this cactus shape with the arms. You're going to extend the arms behind you. So we're going to open up and mobilize the shoulders. So we want to keep the elbows pressed to the floor, back of hands to the floor. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, you're sending the arms behind you, and you want to almost touch the thumbs towards each other before bringing the elbows all the way back down into that cactus shape. Now, if your elbows are lifting or your hands are lifting, that's normally indicated we've got a little bit of restriction in the mobility of the shoulder. Don't worry, just keep practicing this. So we're going to do this 4 more times. Extend behind you, and then bring it all the way back down. Extend, and bring it down. Extend, release. Last time, all the way up. Exhale, good, and release. Well done. From here, let's take the right knee into the chest and the left knee into the chest. Grab hold of the knees, bring the knees together, and you're going to send the knees forward and then open up the hips. So you're going to draw the knees out in a circle. We're going to do that 4 times, for 4, for 3, for 2, and for 1. We'll switch direction, coming the other way. And as we do this, try and work with your breath. It will make it a lot easier to move into this flow, inhaling and exhaling. Great work. Last one. And then just draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little hug. And then release the left leg, take the right leg and take your hands behind the leg. Now, if this is too much, you can use a strap or dressing gown rope, whatever you have. From here, extend the leg up to the sky, and we're going to circle out the right foot, inhaling and exhaling, and then switch direction. For 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, take the heel to the bum and drive the heel up to the sky. Now you can add a little bit more into this by pointing the toes as you come down and then flexing the ankle as you come up, taking the heel to the sky. But otherwise, if you just keep the foot flexed, that's absolutely fine. Let's go 2 more here. Drive up. Last one. And release. Switch sides, drawing the knee into the chest again. Take the hands behind that leg, extend the leg up high to the sky. Now again, don't worry if you're not in 90 degrees here, maybe you're further forward, that's absolutely fine. And then from here, let's circle out those ankles for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch direction, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take both knees into the chest now. Now we're going to have a little go at rocking and rolling. Don't worry too much if this doesn't happen for you, but see how you get on. You're going to take the legs up to the sky to give you a little bit of momentum, and we're going to have a go 3 times, okay? And we're finally going to finish with seating into this position. So you're going to take the legs up, you're going to take a little rock, it might just be here, for 2, just a little bit more, and last one, for 3, all the way up. I'm going to scoot round just to show you from the front what we're going to do next. So you're taking your hands behind you, take the feet out in front of you. You want to roll the knees over to one side, and then you're going to switch and roll to the other. Let's do that 4 more times for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Now this time we're going to see if you can work with the body a little bit more, so we're incorporating the core. So as you go over, you're going to take your hands in front of you. Now if you can, you're going to keep your hands in front as you move to the other side. So you're starting to engage both through the core and through the hips here. And yes, you are going to notice you're going to start wiggling forward a little bit on your mat or on the floor, wherever you are. So don't worry about that too much. If you need to readjust, that's fine. 2 more here. Now the last one, I want you to come over to your right hand side. So in this position, take your right foot forward slightly so you've got more of a square in between your legs. And you're going to take your hands to the outside of your foot and hand to outside of your knee. If this is a bit too much, just take your hands a little bit further back, okay? So from here, take a deep breath in, you're going to exhale, we're going to release, and you're going to relax the shoulders, okay? Don't get tense up around your neck. And you're just bringing your body over the shin. Inhale, rise. And then exhale, release. Do that 4 more times for 4. Exhale, inhale, 3, 2, good. Last one. And this time we're going to come all the way up and you're going to scoot straight over to the other side. So again, just adjust that leg so the leg gives you about a square in between your legs here, and then take your hands to outside of the leg. So outside a knee, outside a foot, over the shin. Gently release, come forwards and back. Inhaling and exhaling. For 4, 3, 2, last one. And then let's bring it all the way back round. Okay, so this time we're going to have a go at coming up into the shin. So you're going to rotate over to your right side again. You're going to either use your hands or without hands. So with your hands, you're going to push up into the shin and you're going to press the hips forward. You have to take your hands away from the floor at this point. Otherwise, as we go over to the other side, you can try and do this without your hands. So hands in front of you, drive the hips forward. So you're starting to open up these hip flexors. Let's do that 4 more times, either with or without the hands. Rolling up and over for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. And release. From here, let's come into an all fours position. So in this all fours position, we're going to open up into the back. You're going to reach your right arm up and you're going to sweep it under as though taking the shoulder to the floor, head to the floor, and then inhale, rise. We're going to do that 4 times. For 4, for 3, for 2, last one. And then switch sides. Left arm under for 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. From here, take the knees together and we're just going to take a little scapular movement. So I'm going to show you from the side and from the front. You're looking to send the shoulder blades towards each other, chest sinks between the arms, and then you're going to inhale and open up the shoulders. Exhale, inhale. Showing you from the front here. So you're sending the chest in between the arms. Arms do not bend. The shoulder blades come towards each other. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Good. And last one. Let's come back to center. Now with all my functional flexibility flows, I always have some element of strength in there. So I'm going to finish off today just with a plank to keep it super simple. Now you have two options. You can either take a 3/4 plank, so you're going to come forward and your shoulders should be over your wrists. And then from here, we're just going to hold it here, engaging the core. Otherwise, you can take the hands in a little narrower, you tuck the toes in, push out, broadening the shoulders. So you'll remember from that scapular press, we don't want to be down here. We want to broaden the shoulders so it's nice and strong. So holding it here for 10 seconds, for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, gently release the knees, tuck the toes in, send the bum back, reach forward, find this nice little stretch into the back, inhaling and exhaling. Good work. Walk the hands back, roll the shoulders back, interlace the hands, lift the chest up, find that final little stretch in the chest. And you are good to go for the rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Do check out my other flows. Please don't forget to subscribe because I can make more videos for you. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.